Infrared remote sensor. 5mm LED. Sensor pin 1 is connecting with LED negative side. $100 resistance. Resistance 1 side connecting with LED positive side. Resistance other side connecting with sensor 3rd pin. 5-volt buzzer. Buzzer negative side connecting with LED negative side. Buzzer positive side connecting with LED positive side. Battery holder. Battery holder negative wire connecting with sensor 2nd pin. Battery holder positive wire connecting with sensor 3rd pin. 3.7 volt battery. Check all kind of remote.